creates rotational motion. So just ponder that while I read this question. What makes rotational motion? Where does it come from? I do not know if there's lab this week. I don't think there is, but don't quote me. Let's see. So you might be saying, well, we made something turn, and it must have been that centripetal force, right? That was the centripetal force. So let's think back to uniform circular motion, and let's think about that. Uniform circular, that's the closest we've done to rotational motion, and it required what? These sentences are too long. It required a centripetal force to make centripetal acceleration. But did the centripetal force really make the motion happen? It really didn't, right? So when this bowling ball was here, and I wanted to make it go in a circle, what did I just, the tension was there, the force was there, the tension component that was the centripetal force was there, but if I just let it go, was it going to go in a circle? No. If I let it go, it's going to swing that way, like that. Big pendulum, like a Foucault pendulum. Who's been to the Houston Museum of Natural Science and seen the Foucault pendulum? It's fake! It really is. You ever wonder why it goes all day? Yeah, that's fake. Foucault pendulums in museums are all fake. I hate to burst your bubble. Okay. Oh, that's not me. Okay. So I had to push sideways. The centripetal force wasn't enough to make it go around. So a centripetal force maintains circular motion. I did a video at that museum. And I didn't know they were fake yet. And we did a video of the thing moving, and I said, well, I want to see the mechanism up top. So we went upstairs, and we shot it from up high, and saw it go around. I said, no, I want to see like the mechanism. You couldn't see it. It went off into the ceiling, into a hole. And I could see there's like a service elevator, and the guy's like, well, there's an elevator to get up there for maintenance, but it's real tight, it's hard to get into. I'm like, oh, that's okay. I'll just like take a picture with my phone. I want to see it. And I started to go there, and he literally went, no, you can't go. You can't go. And now he works here. He works at Rice, and he did confirm. Maintain circular motion. So if it's not centripetal force, what is it? It's torque. Right. Torque is a push or a pull around an axis. And every case of making something turn, I'm not going to go through all of them, but I've applied a torque. When I made the bowling ball go in a circle, I applied a torque. When I spin this thing, I apply a torque around the axis. When I spin Carl Sagan here, this disc, I apply a torque. My hero. So when I spin this, I have, like if I just sit there and look at it, gravity's pulling it because he's missing now, but torque. I have to apply a force around the axis. Okay, I don't know if there's lab. Lens problems, Dr. Simpson said he would accept them here. And it's just great benevolence. So at the break, not now, put them there. Or after class, put them there. So you turn them here, or you have until noon to turn them into the box. Okay? The push or pull around an axis, you must, then let's have some more technical definitions of it.